Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. My name is Harsh Kumar and this is the part 4 of the video series Western Website Design to HTML CSS. In the previous video, we have created the type section for this website. I will give you the link in the I button and in the description of the video. So now let's start. Let me first add a section with the ID of how it works and class container wrap, and add another div for title and description and with a class of title wrapper. Now add h2 heading of the section and then add a little description in a p tag. Now we create this 3-column card as shown in Figma design. So for this, add a div class inner container, add div of class card. We have already created the class in the previous video. Now add the image of chicken icon. Below it, add h3 heading and then add a short description for the card. Now copy it 2 times. Change the file name. Let me check the output. I added one extra column. Let me remove it. And don't worry about the style. We will fix it in a bit. So let me delete the first column. Now go to CSS file and write dot title wrapper and the property margin 0 auto. Padding bottom 38 pixel. Text align center width 32. Let me see the page. The title is nicely done. Now add a little margin bottom to the heading to give some space. And now we add a style to these 3 cards. We only need to adjust divs width. Select the class card under the ID. How it works. Space card. Add the width of 20%. Text align center. Now select HP like this and give some padding to it. Padding 24 pixels 0. Now let's see the page. It's looking great. Now let's create the menu grid. Well, we will use the grid layout in this section. First, let me write the HTML. Add a new section. ID name menu. Class name container wrap. We are doing exactly the same what we have done in the above section. Add a div with a class name of title wrap. Now add an h2 heading and a description in a p tag. Now we add the menu grid container class. Within the div, we add items which are 6 columns or card of the menu. Let me add the dish image. Now add the dish name and the price. Now add the description of the dish. Now we add review star and add a cart button. So for this, add review group wrapper class div. In this div, add a review wrapper, and in this, add a star image 5 times and then add a cart image outside of the div. The output look fine. We will work on the CSS in a moment. Just copy this entire card 6 times because we need 3 columns and 2 rows. Let's write the CSS. Select the menu ID, margin top 82 pixel. Select H2, margin bottom 7 pixel. Now select the menu grid container. Add display grid. Grid template column. Grid template column repeat 1FR. This line means there are 3 columns of equal size simply. Now add grid template row to 1FR. This means there are 2 rows of equal size and column gap 10%. Row gap 52 pixel. Margin 0 auto. Now let us look at the output. It's look great except one column is extra. Let me remove it. Now select the item p tag, font size 11 pixel. Select dish title wrapper. Make it display flex. Align item center. Justify content space between. Font size 22 pixel. Font weight 600. Margin 10 pixel 0. Now select review group wrapper. Make it also display flex. Align item center. Justify content space between. Margin top 10 pixels. Select add to cart class and add cursor pointer. So that's all for now. And let me have a final look at the layout. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the bell icon for the regular update in the future. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.